Okay, so far so good. We've come a long way, and now it's time to add the news. Now this is not going to be much, okay, but the other hard parts are coming. But I just want you to just put your mind and be focused, and you'll be able to accomplish what you want to accomplish. Okay, so we have some pages that we haven't used, so I'm going to use them right now. So back to our page, we have where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Um, okay, so I'll go with where is it? Contact the PHP. Let's see how that page looks like. So contact.html. Let's see how it looks like, and let's see if we can use this page. No, we can't use this page. Let's just create ours from scratch. Okay. So I'm gonna make a save as on this category.php where we have our form. Actually, that should be edit underscore category.php. So Control Shift S, and I'm gonna call it add underscore post.php, which we're also gonna add the functionality to display it if the user that is logged in is an administrator. Okay, so that should be add underscore posts add underscore post.php. Okay, so save. I'm gonna get rid of some stuffs. In fact, I'm gonna get rid of days, everything that concerns days, and this is gonna be post. Okay, so post, and this is gonna be add post post. Okay, I'll just go with small. Okay, so add post, and change this to 8, and get rid of all these divs. And let's create ours from scratch. Okay, I'll just get rid of all these stuffs. Okay, so let's create the stuffs out. So first of all, we have a div with a class of form group. Okay, and this is gonna hold our title. I guess this should be the title. Okay, so input, then it's gonna have a type of text, so text, and the name is gonna be title. The placeholder is gonna be news title. So this should be add news. Okay, add news. Okay, so add a class of form control. So I'm gonna copy this and paste it a couple of times. Paste, 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 paste. Okay, so this is gonna be the next one. What do we have in our database? The content. We have the content, the image, the tags, the status. Okay, we don't need much. We just need the content for now. The post category, we need that. The image, we need to create a file to show the image, the status. Okay, and okay, so let's go with it. So back there, this is gonna be a text area instead of a text area. Okay, and we're gonna add the class to it, form control, and add a placeholder, news, content, and I think okay, we add the name to be content. Okay, so that's all we need for now. Then the next one is gonna be the select. Then we're also gonna add those stuffs out. So the class it's gonna be form control. Then the name is gonna be category. Probably we should add a label. So category. Okay. So the options, we're gonna be deriving the categories using our PHP code. But for now, let's just put category. Okay. So category 1, and I'll just copy and paste it 3 times. We're gonna come back to that later. Okay. So there's gonna be 2 and there's gonna be 3. Okay, so I'll just copy this select. I'll just copy everything from here. Sorry. Then we need the status. The status. Okay, so status. So status, we're gonna have publish, and the next one is gonna be draft. Okay, so after that we're gonna add one more. So this is gonna be the type of news. The first option is gonna be breaking news. Then the next one is gonna be casual news. Okay. Alright. So probably change the names. So this is gonna be status. This is gonna be type underscore news. Okay. Then the final one which we're gonna have should be the tags. So add a label right here. So label is gonna be tags, and name is gonna be tag. Let's just say tags, and news tags. Then we'll add a bracket and tell them to separate by a comma. Okay. And probably the last thing to add should be the post image. Probably that's not the last thing to add, so I'll just copy this and paste, and this is gonna be image. Okay. Then the type is gonna be a file. This is gonna be post underscore image. Then I'll get rid of the placeholder and the class. Then the final one, which is gonna be our submit button. So this is gonna be type of submit. The name is gonna be submit, or let's just say add post, add underscore post, or let's just say add news. Okay, I don't know why I keep on saying post. So the value is gonna be add news. Okay, so class is gonna be btn primary. Okay, so let's see what we have so far. So back there, and let's go to add underscore news, or post rather. I think that was post.php. I guess it was add post. Okay, add underscore post.php, and let's see what we have. Okay, so this is what we have so far. So we have our category, where we're gonna, you see we have our image, where we're going to choose the image, the tags separate by a comma, the type of news, is it a breaking news or a casual news, then the status should be either publish or draft, the category, which we're going to use PHP to draft all our categories out, and we have the title, and we'll add a little number here, so that's going to be 60, but we're going to do that in the next lecture. Okay, so I'll see you then. Bye.